The law number 15 is the law of victory. Leaders always find a way for their team to win. Now, you see it everywhere. It could be the Michael Jordan in the sports. It could be the Jack Welch in a corporation. It doesn't matter where you are. Successful leaders always find a way for their team to win. The difference between a successful leader or true leader versus an unsuccessful leader is that the leader that's about themselves and they usually ask themselves, how can I win? Versus how can my team win? Determines a true leader, and that also determines the law of victory. Now, let me ask you, in terms of the 3 takeaways, when you first started your organization, how was the company before you came in? Was it better off? Or by you coming into the picture, were you able to bring a lot of value? And by doing so, your team was able to win and grow. Question number 1. Question number 2, what are the values that you bring to your team overall? What kind of skill set, motivation, or action step are you taking to get your team towards winning and growing? Number 3, what is the one action step that you could take to take your leadership to the next level? If you are looking for leadership training, click on the link below and join a #1 training, worldwide class leadership training in the world by the incredible John Maxwell, and we look forward to helping you grow your leadership for yourself and for your organization. This is Ruth signing out and reminding you that success is in your hands.